Here we're looking at Basford Bank turning right onto M6 south. So as you can see, you're in the right hand lane to start off with. And then you get over into the right again. Now this lane expands. So as you can see here, you go into the left part of it. And then as the lights change, we check our centre and left mirror signal, and then down the slip road and join the A500. So now we are approaching Basford Bank to turn right following the A53. So I would advise you to come off on the slip road in the right hand lane like we are, so it cuts out crossing lanes. And then we get to some traffic lights. So again, it's rather a busy roundabout here. So we're now following signs and road markings for A53. So that is in your right hand lane. And then at this point here, if you can, check your middle mirror, left mirror, and get over into your left lane like we have done. But sometimes it's very busy here and sometimes difficult to get over, so you can stay in the middle lane, but then make sure you are doing your best to get over, at least by here.